today let's start with chapter number 5, Introduction to MS Excel 2060. So let's start with the chapter now. Today in this chapter we will discuss the features of MS Excel. So Microsoft Office Excel, it is an electronic spreadsheet that runs on personal computer. You can use it to organize data into rows and columns. It is used to perform mathematical calculation quickly. हम इसमें क्या परफॉर्म करते हैं? जितनी भी मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन है वो परफॉर्म करते हैं, राइट? नाउ स्प्रेडशीट, इट इज अ सिस्टम of recording numerical data consisting of grid of rows, columns and sets where data is entered. जहाँ पे डाटा क्या होता है? एंटर होता है, right? This is a spreadsheet you can see over here, right? Let's study about it. Is a special type of software जो आपको क्या provide करता है? Electronic spreadsheets. Tools for quick manipulation and analyzing of entered data. So let's study about the features of MS Excel. ये most popular software है, right? It arranges the data in organized way. Type less, आप कम टाइप करते हो ज़्यादा मिलता है. Perform calculation, auto recalculation, auto format table, and you can compare the data through charts. आप charts का use करके भी data को compare कर सकते हो. Quick data entry can be done in large series of cells by using autofill option. Data can be viewed in a graphical form such as charts के form में, which helps to understand, analyze and compare data in an effective one. So starting MS Excel. So start MS Excel, follow the given step. Click on start button, click on all apps. Then you will click Excel 2060. Like this, the window will appear, right? This is your file tab. यहाँ पे आपका file tab हो गया, यहाँ पे name box हो गया. This is arrow row heading. This is status bar, ये active cell है. यहाँ पे आप worksheet option को view कर सकते हो. And there is a formula bar. Now what are the different components of Excel in 2016? So title bar, it appears on the top of the screen. It display name of the current document and current product. यहाँ पे आपको option मिलेगा minimize का, maximize का और close का. Quick access toolbar present on the title bar. It helps you to do common tasks. जितने भी common tasks है वो आप यहाँ पे कर सकते हैं. Ribbon में आपके 3 parts है: task, group, commands. Each group has organized set of related commands, right? If we talk about file tab, it contains different options to work in MS Excel. Then we have formula bar, right? Then we have sheet tab, which appears on the sheet tab. The name of the active sheet जो है वो आपकी bold letters में display होगी. You can move from one sheet to another by clicking at this tab. Now range. What is range? It is a group of contiguous cell which form the shape of rectangle. It can be small as a single cell और एक बड़ा भी हो सकता है as entire worksheet. You can specify range by writing the starting cell folder, ending both separated by columns, right? Like C1 ratio C10, it indicates range starting from C1 cell address and ending in C10. Name box होगा just located above the column heading to the left side. Now column heading, alphabets across the top border of each worksheet are called column heading, and these heading identify column with letter A to Z. Right? Worksheet. An Excel document is called a workbook. The blank worksheet is a part of workbook. हर एक वर्कबुक में क्या होती है? वर्कशीट होती है. सो आपके बुक 1, बुक 2 and so on, the worksheet names will be given. What is cell? A cell is a space which is formed by intersection of one row and one column. Each small rectangle in a spreadsheet is a cell. Now entering data. Now you want to enter data in Excel. So first of all you will click on the cell. जहाँ पे भी आप डाटा को enter करना चाहते हो, फिर आप टाइप करोगे whatever data you want to enter. Press the enter key to move the pointer down by one cell. You will press tab key to move the next adjoining cell towards right. Right? When you type data in an active cell, the data also appears in the formula box. At the same time, two button cancel and enter appears to the left of the formula bar. Now doing calculation. It is a powerful built-in tools such as functions and formulas to perform calculation of the data. Formula calculates value displayed in the cell to return a result. Right? The formula always begins with, वो हमेशा किससे शुरू होगा? Equal to के साइन से. Right? Now calculation with function. Calculating with function, the most commonly used function can be found under auto sum. ये आपको कहाँ देखने को मिलता है? होम टैब इन राइटिंग ग्रुप. ऑटो सम क्या करता है? इट एड्स ऑल द न्यूमेरिक वैल्यूज स्पेसिफाइड इन द रेंज ऑटोमेटिक. Then you will add all the numerical value which is contained in the cell specified in the input argument. Then we have average. It calculates the average of all numeric value which is contained in a set. Now min means determines the smallest numeric value, right? Maximum जो largest numeric value को define करता है. Now count number cells contain numerical value in input argument. नेक्स्ट इज टू कैलकुलेट सम. अब हमें सम कैलकुलेट करना है यूजिंग ऑटो सम फंक्शन. सो इट ऑफर्स शॉर्टकट. आप जिसमें क्या कर सकते हो? कॉलम्स और रोज को ऐड कर सकते हो. यू विल क्लिक ऑन द सेल CA एंड प्रेस ऑटो सम बटन. Excel will suggest the range C4 to C7. When you will press enter key, the sum of values in cell C4 to C7 is calculated and entered in C8. Now switching between worksheet. Now you want to switch on. So you can use control plus page up or control plus page down. Renaming worksheet. To rename a worksheet, double click on the sheet tab you want to rename. उसको आप highlight भी कर सकते हो. You will press enter key. Right click on the sheet tab which is to be renamed. और आप किस पे click करोगे? Rename option. Now adding new worksheet. To add new worksheet, select the sheet before which you want to place a new works. Right click on the sheet tab and select the insert option. Right? Now removing a worksheet, you can use the delete option. आप delete option का use करके भी कर सकते हैं. और you will select delete sheet option in the cell grid. Now saving worksheet, we have done all the things. Now we want to save. So you will click on file. आप file tab पे जाएंगे. Select the save option or save as option will appear. Or you can use control plus S also. Now click on the save icon on quick access toolbar and your file will be saved over there. Right? Now this is all about in this chapter. Now let's move to the exercise. First is tick the correct. Dash is a system of recording numerical data consisting of a grid of rows, column and set. That is spreadsheet. The bar contain two parts, name box and formula, that is title. Dash appears on the top of the screen. क्या appear करता है? Your title bar. Now dash adds all the numeric values specified in a range automatically, auto sum. Spreadsheet is also known as, spreadsheet को हम क्या कहते हैं? Worksheet. Now fill in the blanks. Dash display current status of the cell and zoom option. Status bar. A dash is a space which is formed by the intersection of one row and column, that is your cell. A dash consists of combination of cell reference, that is a formula. Dash is used to perform mathematical calculation quickly, that is function. The dash bar display the name of the current worksheet, so name bar. Now write T for true and F for false statement. MS Excel is a spreadsheet software, it's true. The ribbon has two parts, tab and group. Active cell is the cell in which cursor is placed, it's true. You cannot say the worksheet in Excel 2016, false. You can say. You can enter data and formula in the formula bar, it's true. Now match the following. F2 to open the cell in edit mode. Control plus F, you want to save a workbook. Now arrow key, move around the worksheet. Control plus A to select a worksheet and file or close to close a workbook in Excel. Now answer the following. What is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet क्या होती है? Write down the features of MS Excel 2016. Explain the various components. आपको various components बताने MS Excel की. आपको शॉर्ट नोट लिखना है सेल पे। नाउ राइट द स्टेप्स टू सेव अ वर्कबुक। अगर आप वर्कबुक सेव कराते हो तो आपको उसके भी स्टेप्स बताना, राइट? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.